Everybody, Jason here. Happy Thursday. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Just want to take a minute and say thank you for all the comments. Thank you for all the requests. Those specifically actually really help me out since I kind of do the same thing. I mean, I really do the same thing over and over again on most of my plays. So for me, they become a little bit monotonous unless there's specific questions about them. So I really appreciate both the requests, the comments, feedback, everything. Super awesome. You guys are all super awesome. See a lot of you guys let me know that you're doing well. All credit, guys, 100% goes to you. I'm basically just hitting record on my screen while I'm making plays and tell you guys what I'm thinking. It could be right, it could be wrong, but just wanted to document what I'm doing. And if there's something that I've learned that I can teach, I'm super happy to do it. There's a lot more that I don't know than I do. I'll always know that. No matter how much I learn, there's always more to learn. So thank you guys. Super appreciate you guys. So today, we're up a little bit today, a couple percent. Yesterday, by the end of the day, even though I think we were up 3-4 grand in the beginning, kind of like today, we ended up, I believe, down $77 or something to actually end the day. So I have not made any plays, but I'm going to go ahead and roll out a few put credit spreads. And the ones I was specifically looking at is these. Over here, I've actually changed this to equity, where you can see, what's your today's return. Total return is what I'm usually showing, but equity basically for put credit spreads, it basically shows you how much more money you have to gain over the life of these credit spreads. So I have 8 of these, $144 total if I just let them run up until expiration. So these are ones that I'm going to go ahead and roll out and up a little bit, collect a little bit more premium, since Tesla doesn't seem like, and I could be wrong, that we're not going to see below $700 any longer. I've probably said that before, but we are now several months, several earnings calls, and a lot of production up with the company since we've had those old highs of 880, 900, and then dropping back down. So, and we also have gone through an earnings without a huge drop. I think that's something pretty major to consider. I also, I have a few that are also pretty low. I have a lot of 600s, 570s, and in my mind, it's pretty nice to have some of them that are very far out of the money, that feel very safe. Just let the theta decay do its job, even though this is quite a bit of credit, or collateral. Like just between these two guys right here, that's $5,000 worth of collateral. But some of them, when I'm having them a little bit higher short strike prices, that obviously is a little bit more risky, but with risk comes reward. So let's jump into rolling these guys out. Oh no, not those. And I guess it doesn't really matter that I click on them at all. But it was these 610s. But we'll just jump into view all options. August 20th. Make sure we're on the put side. And we're going to look at these 8 right here. Very simple. Hold that down. Buy back the 8 that we've sold. And then, I don't know why it's been doing that. It's been scrolling back up every single time. And then we'll sell the 605s that we bought. And we're going to roll these out a couple more weeks. And we're going to go, I really like, even before, and we dropped below it, I've always really liked this 660 level. So I'm going to roll these out to a 660 level here. And so that'll get us about $100 for each one. Hit continue. We're going to do 8 of these guys, and maybe we can get $102 a piece. I'll be happy with $1 though. Not filling, so lower the price a little bit. See if we can get $1 to get those filled. And there we go. Just collected $800 worth of cash in our account. So I think one play for the day, collecting $800, not terrible at all for a couple minutes worth of work. I'll probably be looking at some of the other ones just periodically, like through the day, and moving those out and up. I might look at the 610 and possibly rolling this. Yeah, let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to do this one too. So we're expiring September 17th. We're going to roll that guy up a little bit so we can do the same strike price. That is getting annoying. And we'll just move this up to 600. Boy, sorry about the screen this morning. I don't know why it's doing that. Move that up $20, and we get to collect another $40 on that. I think, do we just have one of those? We just had one of them. And since it's putting in $40, we'll try to grab 38 here. Come on. Why is it showing 47? Maybe that's actually the average here. Okay, we'll try to grab $45. And we want credit. We know it's credit because we're moving it up, so we're taking on a little bit more risk. And there we go, collect another $45. And there we go. $845 cash that we get to collect now. Just taking on a little bit more risk and moving some things a little further out. As far as what's expiring tomorrow, we'll change these back to gains. Nope, not today's return. Total return. So we have some covered calls that we sold on our shares of MGM. We have 3 broken wing butterflies on the SPY. We have our $800 calls that we sold on Tesla. These guys should actually get rolled out as well. So we'll buy back those 800. See if we can get any $800 premium for next week even. That can't be right. Is that right? That's like a I like the amount of money. Just in case we test 800 somehow, some kind of way. We'll roll a couple of these guys out. Let's see if we can grab $105 there. Maybe $100 a piece. And 13, yep. There we go. $206. So we collected what? $1,051 worth of premium. Super cool. Awesome. So ending the up of $3,800. Awesome. All right, guys. Any questions, comments, anything? Let me know. Let me know how I can help you. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow, and then hopefully on Saturday during the live stream, some people will join us. It's usually pretty fun, and we can drill down into some specific stocks or plays or whatever we want to do. All right, guys, love you, and let's make a lot of money.